Good day, everyone. My name is Aliyah Zaintinyevo from Cebu Roosevelt Memorial Colleges, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Today, we'll be exploring something that will make us become more aware and be prepared in our daily lives. Before we begin, let me ask you something. What would you do if something unexpectedly happens to you? Would you know how to respond? What will you do? This activity is called What Will You Do? I will give you situations and you will think of the best action to take. Situation number 1. You are inside your house and suddenly the ground starts shaking. What will you do? Situation number 2. You are at the beach and notice that the water suddenly moves far away from the shore. What will you do? Now that you have an idea, let us look at what we aim to achieve in this lesson. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify the key components of the local readiness plan related to earthquake and tsunamis, and to demonstrate proper earthquake and tsunami safety procedures, show alertness and active participation during disaster-related activities, and promote safety and support others in following disaster preparedness procedure. So our topic is earthquake and tsunami preparedness plan. We will talk about it and how we can prepare for them. Let us know first what is an earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of the ground caused by movements in the Earth's crust. And now let us know what is tsunami. So a tsunami is a large ocean waves caused by a sudden water displacement, often from earthquakes. These natural disasters can lead to damage to homes and buildings, injuries and loss of life, flooding especially in coastal areas. So why is it important to stay calm during an earthquake? What might happen if people ignore warning signs of a tsunami? How can preparedness reduce risk during disasters? Exactly! Being prepared helps us act quickly and safely. So if these disasters can happen anytime, are we really prepared? This brings us to a very important part of our lesson. Preparedness. Being prepared is not just about knowing information, but also about taking the right actions at the right time. It helps us to stay safe and protect others during emergencies. Let's first talk about how to prepare for an earthquake.
When the earth shakes, the ground moves, and things start to fall, you'll ask yourself, how prepared or unprepared are you? Have you removed objects from over the bed and over your head? Anchored your possessions securely to the wall? It won't be a pain, and you're not doing it in vain. Are your emergency kits packed? What about your family, your friends? Do they know what to do, how to get in touch, and where to meet? Do you know how to drop, cover, and hold on, covering your head and neck? What if you're outside? Or in a car? After the shaking stops, look around. Figure out what to do. Stay away from damaged areas. Turn on a radio. Reach out for help. And if you're trapped, do not move about. Stay calm. Only shout as a last resort. Once everything and everyone is safe, get prepared. An aftershock could be on its way. So before the earth shakes, the ground moves, and things start to fall, get prepared, make a plan, practice what you know.
In this video, you'll learn how to prepare for a tsunami and what to do if one occurs. If you notice a tremor or the sudden recession of the sea and you're on the beach or the coast, move to high ground either on foot or by car. If you're at home, you only have a few minutes to get to safety. Go rapidly inland to high ground. Stay away from rivers that flow into the ocean, and from the beach and the coast. Wait until at least 1 hour has passed since the tsunami before returning home. Do not touch fallen power lines. Follow safety advice broadcast on the radio by authorities. Do not go to school to pick up your children. Teachers are trained to deal with disaster situations. If the authorities warn you that a tsunami is approaching, seek shelter in a safe place. If you have to leave your home, unplug all household appliances and turn off the water and electricity at the mains. Take any important documents with you. Have your disaster kit and first aid kit ready. Follow the instructions broadcast by the radio by the authorities. Do not wait until the last minute when the evacuation order is given.
Preparedness is not just knowledge, it's a life-saving skill. Stay safe, everyone, and thank you for listening.